What's going on, beautiful people? I'm here with another familiar face, my go-to lender, Nick Vargas.
What is up, everybody?
With Appli Home Loans, and we're here to talk about, FHA loans, guys. And this is going to be a 3-part series because I know a lot of you guys have been hearing, the different types of loans, and we're here to break it down with the expert.
The facts.
Okay? The facts. That's very key.
We're going to bust all the myths.
Exactly. So, guys, let's jump into the FHA loan. And how I want to start this off, Nick, is talk to us about the big old down payment. Because you get people say, oh, I got to put 30% down, 20% down.
40%, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
I got you.
FHA loan, what does it look like?
Sure thing. So FHA is known for kind of being that first home buyer type loan, but you do not need to be a first-time home buyer to do it or to use it. Minimum down payment is actually only 3.5% on FHA.
3.5, guys.
Yep, 3.5%. It's all you need for down payment, and you're rocking and rolling.
Right. And what is a down payment? What does that actually mean?
Sure. So if the price of the home, just for easy math, is $100,000,
right, you
would put down $3,500. So 3.5% of the purchase price, and that goes to your home towards equity.
Right.
So now you have that much amount in equity in the home if it were to appraise at the price.
Right. So this sounds too good to be true. Once again, 3.5 down. 3.5%. What are some of the things that you have to do to qualify for this, like credit score and
sure thing.
My first house. What's up with that?
Sure thing. So does not need to be your first house. It does, however, need to be your primary home. So FHA is only used for primary. Cannot use for secondary or vacation homes or investment properties.
Right.
Aside from the down payment, your credit score. FHA is actually the most lenient when it comes to this. So essentially, some banks will go down as low as 500. Now, of course, there's factors that are looked at. They got to look at risk factors. How many frequently payments are there? Is it a large amount of money down over the minimum of 3.5, etc. But they are the most lenient. The sweet spot is really 640.
Boom. 640. So having that sweet spot of 640 is going to get you the most favorable,
more competitive rate,
and everything.
Better chance of qualifying.
Now, you hear this big monster.
I know what's coming.
The PMI monster.
PMI.
People are like, oh my God, no, there's PMI.
Nothing to fear.
Absolutely not.
Nothing to fear.
What is that?
So PMI, I feel like most consumers feel like it's going to be thousands of dollars or even hundreds monthly. Fun fact, PMI actually just got reduced this year. So although we may have seen a few rate hikes, we've seen PMI cut almost in half. So it used to be a monthly percentage fee of 0.85, which is now cut down to 0.55 percent. So in easy math, it's very, very, very minimal compared to your payment and compared to your loan amount. It's minimal. It's not much. It's not as scary as some may think. And a good thing about PMI too for FHA is no matter your credit score, it's the same. But when it comes to conventional, it's based on your credit score.
And we'll get into conventional loans in the next video.
Little sneak peek.
So, a little sneak peek right there. So, PMI is not this big scary monster, but does it stick with the loan through its entirety? Or
so, with FHA, there's a couple of different ways. So, if you put down 3.5%, it sticks with the home for the life of the loan. So 30 years on a standard mortgage. If they put 10% or more down, it will fall off in 11 years. Or you can refinance out of FHA into conventional when you have enough equity.
Boom. So little tips and tricks. So before we wrap it up, anything else our people need to know in regards to the FHA loan before they get ready to move forward?
If you're going to buy your first home and you have minimal out of pocket saved up to put down, you want to go with a smaller down payment, you may have had some credit challenges, FHA is your way to go.
Boom. So you're going to see our contact information down here below. As you guys know, Nick is my literal lender go-to. So any questions that you guys have, you'll have his contact information there. You can reach out to me. And as you guys already know, in real estate, there are only 2 people, plus Nick, that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's G. Hey, you. Talk soon.
Take care.